All right, everybody, Sylvia here, and I am getting ready to go on a trike ride. I've got the truck, the ramps. Myrtle is getting ready to go, and I'm actually very close to Crescent City, maybe 20-minute drive, and I've taken a road called Howland Hill, and it goes up to a Stout Grove, a grove of redwoods, and it's supposed to be really, really beautiful. I'm going to be doing an out and back ride because the road is actually closed through traffic, and you can go to this grove from two different directions, and I've chosen this direction because I think there's going to be less traffic. I hope I'm right. All right, let's go for a trike ride. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. All right, everybody, I'm getting ready to go for a trike ride, but I just wanted to touch on something that I've talked about in my last couple of videos with the electric assist. And I think I pointed out that I had the display replaced, and I just kind of wanted to show you guys the problem with the old display. It really wasn't a problem with the display, wasn't a problem with the electric assist. Everything has worked fine, but I can show you here that this is the back of the E6100 display, the front, the back, and you can see that there's some plastic pieces that broke away on this side and on this side. And it's really important that these two little metal knobs connect strongly with there's matching connecting points on the holder. And because these broke off, I wasn't getting a secure connection, and I couldn't turn the motor on without having this snugged down with a rubber band. And so my bike shop in Portland, Recumbent PDX, was nice enough to install a new display, and they gave me the upgrade. This is the Shimano Steps E8000 display. This is actually designed for mountain biking. It's far more stealth, and you can see it's really robust, much, much smaller. It gives me much less information, but I also think it's going to be less vulnerable. There's one issue so far with this display, and maybe somebody can help me with this. I cannot figure out how to turn this on and off from the display. So I am turning it on and off from the battery. So if I hold it down, it goes off. There's a little button here, and I just turn it back on. And it's not a big deal because I can just reach down and turn it on. So if anybody knows how to turn on the motor from the display, let me know in the comment section below. I'd really appreciate it. So, all right, let's go for a trike ride. All right, so you can see we're in the Redwoods already, and this is an unpaved road, so I'm expecting to see less RVs on this direction than I would have if I had come to the Stout Grove from Crescent City directly, because that road is all paved. And I've already seen some bikers, so I know that this is a road that people are biking on. Yeah, so I think to get to this Stout Grove, it's going to be mostly uphill, and then of course coming back it will be downhill. All right, so I am at the Trailhead, Stout Grove, and I've got Myrtle locked to the sign. Big old redwoods everywhere, and yeah, let's go hike a trail. Cool log, all split apart, naturally decaying. Benches. Just beautiful out here. All right, so on my way back to the truck after this fabulous walk through the Stout Grove, Hyuchi, and River Trails, what a special place. I thought I would give you guys an update on some very big news. I have been in Crescent City, living here since April 1st, and I am paid up through the end of July, and on August 1st, I am going to get back into my truck and trailer, and I'm going to start traveling again. I have been, consulting a lot of friends and people that I know that are doing RVing. There's a lot of Facebook pages, and I've just been following everything, and pretty much everybody that I have talked to has said the same thing. As long as you're careful, you should be fine. I have a trailer that is self-contained, and so I don't need a bathroom. I have full cooking. I have full control over my environment, and everybody just said, just mask up like you normally would, keep your distance, wash your hands, it should be just fine. So August 1st, I'm gonna get back on the road. I'm gonna head to Portland. I've got few things to take care of there. And then I'm going to head to Boise and Missoula, where I have some friends. Just go very slowly. You know, my focus is looking for cyclists, especially trikers, to meet up with and to explore all the different cycling trails that I can along the way. And then from Missoula, I'm thinking about going to the coast of Washington. I know a lot of people on a small island called Vashon. I have never been there. And I think I know like 10 people. I think I know 6 people from college. And then there's a number of trikers and recumbent riders on Vashon Island. And I don't even know if it's a good idea to take my truck and trailer there, but I'm gonna find out. And from there, I'm going to continue down the coast back into Oregon and go to Fort Stevens, where the recumbent retreat is normally held. The recumbent retreat has been canceled, but a lot of us are keeping our campsites and we're just gonna go camp anyway. Enjoy each other's company, mask up, keep our distance, and ride the trails together. It's gonna be a very low-key outing, but I just felt like it's, you know, such a beautiful place, and I really look forward to riding those trails. So that's what I'm gonna do. So there's my update. I'm getting ready to get organized and get back on the road. And so that I am really looking forward to. So, all right, you guys, that's my update. And I thank you for following along. I hope everybody remains safe and healthy. And as always, thank you for watching.